Morning, all comedians used to avoid taking early morning flights with me, अरे who wants to, sit next to this old uncle, जो ऐसा खा खा करके खराटे मारे फ्लाइट में. I used to snore so loudly that वो जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना फ्लाइट्स में, they used to wonder ये कौन आ गया हमारा धंधा चौपट करने के लिए. I once remember going for this foreign trip with my wife, and I must be snoring in the night. सोया तो सुबह को I woke up and she was like ऐसे देख रही थी. I said क्या हुआ? He saying no. I said I was thinking was I talking in my sleep? Did she come to know about my fantasies? She saying no, you were snoring so loudly कि बाजू वाले के रूम में banging आता. Shut up, shut up, shut up. I said previous night when they were making noise and we were enjoying it, did we complain? I didn't believe her, but she had actually recorded me, snoring. She said, "ये देखो KK आपकी snoring." I said, "But you call me AK." He said, "No, Kumbhakarnan, ये सुनो तुम." And honestly, we all think snoring is very cool, India में तो it's considered कि जो आदमी खराटे मारता है वो, चैन की नींद सो रहा है मस्त और उसके लाइफ में सब ठीक हो रहा है. So I also felt very happy कि मेरे भी लाइफ में सब ठीक हो रहा है, But actually, I'm telling you, this snoring got even worse. I used to sleep and snore in the morning also, at work, at meetings, at weddings. Once it got dangerous too. I was once I was driving and I slept at the wheel, at Sakinaka, yeah. And I woke up after 30 minutes. The traffic was still there, and all the cars also went to sleep, And that's Sakinaka for you, Sakinaka, for those who don't know, it's a suburb in Bombay, which sounds like it's in Japan, But the final straw was once I was watching a Bollywood matinee movie with my wife, and 15 minutes I started snoring and slept, Other movie goers come and ask my wife, what has he eaten? Let us know when we want to sleep, We don't want to see this torture on screen, Actually, bhai ki movie thi iske liye. But jokes apart, I thought that we should get it checked. I said, लेकिन डॉक्टर को क्या बोल के जाएंगे, Usually डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स लेके, घुटने में दर्द है, सीने में दर्द है, डॉक्टर क्या बोलूंगा कि रात को सुबह खराटे आ रहे हैं, डॉक्टर भी बोलेगा लोग इधर कंप्लेन लेके आते हैं, ये पहला बंदा जो तारीफ लेके आ रहा है, But I did get it checked, I get it checked, and the doctor told me that I have this serious condition called sleep apnea. आपको पता sleep apnea क्या है? So basically sleep apnea, what happens is your breathing stops midway while you are asleep, and the snoring is actually, your body gasping for air. It's like driving a Formula 1 car with your handbrake on, It's like running a marathon race with your Hawaii chappals, It's like going for honeymoon to Thailand with your spouse, And the doctor said, Atul, if you don't treat this, it could be a very serious for your health. मतलब लोग घोड़े बेच के सोते हैं और मैं जान पे खेल के actually सो रहा था every night. He said it's very common, it's 1 in every 5 Indians experience sleep apnea, and usually it's very common in middle-aged, overweight men. Middle-aged, overweight men. Seriously. And overweight, come on guys, do you think I'm overweight, man? No, yeah, see, correct, At best, I'm like Amir Khan from Dangal, Not in the beginning, after interval, when he becomes old and trains his daughter. That Amir Khan. And actually, because of sleep apnea, you wake up tired, you have low energy, you have poor concentration, you are irritable, and you have early morning headaches. My wife heard this and she said, Atul, welcome to menopause. So I asked the doc, इलाज क्या है finally इसका? He said, very बहुत simple है. You have to get something called as a CPAP machine, जो भी तुमने जिंदगी में पाप किए सब धुल जाएंगे, I said, doctor, jokes मेरे पे छोड़, तू मत बोल, So CPAP, for those who don't know, stands for Continuous Positive Airway Pressure. Wow, what a beautiful name, na? Basically, it's a small portable machine. और उसमें रात को mask पहन के when you're sleeping, you put it in a mask and it opens up all your passages. So I got this one made by Philips, and let me tell you guys, my life has changed, बचपन में पता है आपको खिलौना आता था कि वो चाबी लेके घुमा के वो खट 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 करता था, अरे फुल एयर फील है, खट 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 खट, इतनी एनर्जी आ गई है, the kind of energy when you give whenever you go to your wife asking for permission for a boys trip and she says, हाँ जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, that energy I've got. And I always wake up now in such a lovely good mood. The problem is that अभी मेरे बच्चों को भी पता चल गया, जब उनको पैसे चाहिए सुबह सुबह 8 बजे पहुंच जाते हैं, पता है बाप की मूड अच्छा रहेगा पैसे ले लेंगे. I'm so much in love with this CPAP machine that I can't even think of traveling without it. Recently मैं एक छुट्टी पे गया था अपने बीवी के साथ, and I called up the hotel and said I need an extra bed. So it's basically me on one bed, my cute Philips CPAP machine next to me, and my wife sleeps on the extra bed. That's much how much I love it. But now my wife is irritated, अभी इतना energy, she cannot handle it, पहले ठीक था, The other day she told me, Atul, I used to like that old sust Atul only. I don't like you anymore. तो सर ठीक है, फिर रात को आज DVD पे भाई की पिक्चर वापस देखते हैं. Thank you friends, Atul Khatri, you've been a great audience. Thank you so much.